Hi guys, before I start this video, I just want to say that I will not be uploading for a couple, weeks, 2 weeks, I think, because I'm going to be on vacation and I won't be having any time to be uploading any videos, so I just wanted to get that to, through to you guys, so I didn't have to, tell you guys when I came back, or else my guys might get worried and, unsubscribe or something. So, yeah, I just want to tell you that. So, let's continue the video. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a handcuff system in Roblox Studio. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so there's a lot of videos on YouTube, but most of them are not filtering enabled and don't work, and they're pretty difficult actually. So I'm just going to be showing you a quick way. It's actually easier than you guys expect it to be, because all it does is make it so if you touch the handcuffs, then it will teleport you to the prison. So let's first make our prison. I don't want to spend a lot of time making a whole cell, so I'm just gonna look up cell. See if we can. Here we go. Here's just a prison, I guess, right here. Here is where our prison is, and I'm gonna insert a part into this. So this prison's actually really high in the sky. Wait, yeah, let's lower it down. That. Okay, the part, and this part is where just so you guys know, this part is where when you arrest someone, they'll be teleported to. You can name this part whatever you want. I'm going to name this destination. Like that. I spelled that completely wrong. That. There we go. Or was it the exact? I don't know. I'm just going to use collisions on so that collision. Okay, there we go. So now we have this done. And now we can make our handcuffs. So I'll see you guys when I'm done with my handcuffs. Okay guys, I'm done and I have created my handcuffs right here. So here are my handcuffs right here. They're looking pretty cool. I like them a lot. They may not be circles like real handcuffs, but I like the blocky versions. So next step to doing this is we have to weld them all together. So what I'm gonna do is go to Model tab, then I'm gonna go to Create, then I'm gonna hit Weld. Like weld, it'll have this icon on for your mouse pop up, and when that pops up, you can weld two parts together. So, say I wanted to weld. So now I'm gonna weld every single part to the handle. Like what the handle is the middle part where you hold the handle is where you're gonna be holding the part by. So I'm just gonna be welding these parts together. So what I'm gonna do is click it once, and then it's gonna be welded to that, like that. Now it's welded. See, not that hard. People sometimes think that welding is really hard, but it's really not. It's really simple, actually. Hit weld to there, weld it again, and so on. So, yeah. Cut. Okay guys, here is my, right here is my full handcuffs all welded together. And now once I, weld them together, I can, to test this out, to make sure that they are all fully welded and are working, I'm just gonna highlight all of it. And I'm gonna pull it up and see and I'll make sure to unanchor it. And if it falls and doesn't fall apart, then you're good to go. So I'm just gonna run it. What the heck? Can collide is, oh, it made the screen kind of odd, so I think it was welded. Let's see. Yep, see, they don't fall apart, they're sticking together. So now, that is our handcuffs welded. Next step is to, actually make a tool. So I'm gonna go to the workspace, hit the plus, hit tool, and I'm gonna name this to handcuff. Like that. And once I've done that, I can drag my handcuffs into this by selecting all the parts. I'm holding control right now if you're wondering to select all of them. That. And I'm going to drag all these parts into the handcuffs. So here is my handcuff right here. My handcuff is now officially a tool, but you may be wondering, well, it doesn't do anything yet. So if we hit play, we haven't inserted any scripts yet, but once we hit play, you can see, oh, whoopsies, my bad, I forgot to And then to actually make the tool into your backpack, you gotta drag this into starter player. Starter pack. Like that, inside starter pack, not starter player, not starter GUI, starter pack. Make sure you're doing the correct one. Then once you do that, here we go. Here's our handcuffs in my hands right here. It looks pretty good. I like it a lot. It's not the best, but I do think it's not the worst. So I'm just gonna stop the game and let's get on to the scripting part. So once we have our handcuffs and starter pack, we're gonna go into it. Go into the handle. The handle is the middle part, which you're gonna be holding it by. You're gonna go into it and insert a script. I already have a script here. So to insert the script, you have to hit the plus and hit script right there. And then let's click on the script so we can go inside of it. Okay, now we're inside of the script, and let's start writing our script. Wait, do I have insert mode on? No, I don't. Okay, good. So what you want to do is script.parent, so that will get the script, and it will get its parent, which is the handle. .touch, so whenever it touches somebody, like the other player, when you touch the player, it will teleport them to the what was it called again? Destination? Yeah, destination. And then connect function. There we go. Like that. I think I'm gonna have parameter as hit, like that. Once you do that, you want to do hit, and then you want to do .parent. So this will, whenever it hit, we'll get the parent, and we're gonna define first child. And then the child will be humanoid root part. And then .cframe equals cframe .new. And inside of here we're gonna do game dot destination. Oh no, game dot workspace. Sorry. Then destination, or destination is what I named. Destination is the part right here, where you're gonna be teleported to when you get touched. Game dot destination dot position. Sorry, I was just trying to think there for a second. And there we go. That is our script. So now, once we do that, we're gonna hit play. Actually, no, not play. We're gonna go to test. We're gonna start a test server. To go to the test server, we're gonna hit test. And then once you're in the test tab up top, it's next to view and model. We're gonna hit start. And once you hit, but you can do actually 3 or how many players you want. And when I hit start, it'll start with a game with 2 players. So as you can see right here, this is the server right here. This is like where you have the server and stuff. I might do a video on like how to do this, but it's pretty self-explanatory. All you do is this. And here I have my player and my other player. So as you can see, stop going on me. I have my handcuffs. It touches them. They get teleported over to destination right there. You see them? They're inside of the thing. How do I open this thing? Oh, it opened. Okay. Hi. And now every single time I touch them, we actually go over to this guy who's inside of here. How do we get out of this thing? Oh, okay. And I'll bring in this guy. Sorry, it's just a little hard with 2 tabs and stuff. Now, if I take my handcuffs again, touch him, see, he gets teleported there. The reason why he's getting stuck on the ground is because it's telling it to the, putting the humanoid root part, which is the torso, or whatever, the, this part of the character, like the entire body, is being teleported into the middle of this part. So, since it's doing that, the legs are below the middle of the part, so they'll get kind of stuck inside. You can see them over there. But yeah, that is how you make some handcuffs, guys. And yeah, so pretty simple. It's not that hard. There's other videos out there that have a lot more in-depth and a lot more features that come with it. But this is just, I like doing simple tutorials on my channel because they're quick and easy for people to do, and people seem to like them. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if it did help you, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.